Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abacus Learning with Nidhi, where I teach Abacus step by step. So till last video we have learned about 9's and 90's addition and subtraction formula. So in this video I'll cover 8 and 80's addition and subtraction formula. Yes, I'll cover 8 and 80's addition and subtraction formula in one video only. As till last video काफी कुछ आप लोग सीख चुके हैं, तो ये समझना बहुत easy हो जाएगा, तो one video में we can cover. So as I already told you that 10 is the big boss, okay? तो 10 is the big boss. तो 9 का फ्रेंड हमने कैसे जाना था? हमने 9 फिंगर क्लोज किया था, तो 1 was the left, 1 was left, so 1 finger was left, तो 1 was 9's friend. Now let's ask from 10 who is 8's friend. Now we'll close our 8 finger. The 2 fingers are left, so 8's friend is 2. And formula will be same as 9. That is, for add 9, less 1 add 10. For less and for less 9, opposite of add 9, that is less 10 add 1. Similarly, for add 8, that less 2 add 10. And for less 8, that is opposite of less add 8, that is less 10 add 2. Let's see some example. Suppose we have 8 here. Now we need to add 8 more. 8 is not happening because we have left with only one bit. So for add 8, we have to apply formula, and the formula is less 2 add 10. Less 2 add 10. Answer is 1, 6, 16. Add 8 plus 8 is 16. Now as 8's friend is 2, 80's friend is 20. So let's see here. Suppose we have 30 here. Now here we need to add 80. We cannot add simple because we have left with only 60, 50, 60. So how to add 80 here? We'll apply formula. That is less 20 add 100. Less 20 add 100. Answer is 110. Yes. So we now know 8's and 80's addition formula. Now 8 and 80's subtraction formula. As add 8 is equals to less 2 add 10. For less 8, we'll do just opposite. Opposite of less 2 add 10 will be less 10 add 2. See here. Suppose we have 70 here. Now in this 70, we need to do less 8. How to do less 8? We don't have anything on ones dot, so simple, we cannot do less 8. So we have to apply formula, that is less 10 add 2. Less 10 add 2. Answer is 62. 70 less 8 is 62. Now see, less 8 is less 10 add 2. So for less 80, the formula will be less 100 add 20. So suppose we have 400 here. In this 400, we need to do less 80. Less 80 is not happening as we don't have anything on tens dot. So for less 80, we'll apply formula, that is less 100 add 20. Answer is 320. 400 less 80 is 320. Now we know that 9's friend is 1. Formula is less 1 add 10, and for less 9, less 10 add 1. And 8's friend is 2. For add 8, the formula is less 10 add 2, less 2 add 10. And for less 8, the formula is less 10 add 2. Now, I am making a miscellaneous sum for you, okay? Let's make. The sum is 73, less 9, add 8, add 80, less 90, less 8, add 5, add 9, add 90. I have written a sum here. This is miscellaneous sum, okay? Now this sum will solve on Abacus. Let's see how. Okay, first number is 73. So let's take 73 at 73. Now less 9. How to do less 9 here? Less 9 is not happening because we have only 3 on ones dot. So for less 9, the formula is less 10 add 1. Do less 10 add 1. Then 8. How to take 8 here? 8 is not happening. I just said 8's formula is less 2 add 10. For add 8, it's less 2 add 10. So we'll apply the formula less 2 add 10. Now we need to add 80. 80 on 10's rod. So we are left with only 20 B's. So we have to apply formula. That is 80's friend is 20. As 8's friend is 2, 80's friend is 20. The formula is less 20 add 100. We are done with this 80. Now less 90. For less 90, for less 9, the formula is less 10 add 1. For less 90, the formula is less 100 add 10. So less 100 add 10. Now less 8. Now less 8. We cannot do less 8 here because we have left with only 7 beads. And only 2 beads are here, so we cannot do less 2 from less 8 from this less 2, this 2. So for less 8, we'll apply formula that is less 10, add 2. Now 5. We are taking 5 simple because it's happening simple. Now 9. 9 is not happening. We don't have left any bead. So for 9, we have to apply formula that is less 1 add 10. Now 90. So 90 on 10's rod. 90 is not happening. For 90, we have to apply formula that is less 10 add 100. Answer is 158. Answer is 158. See, it's very easy, and with this formula we can do so many long sums. So in next video I'll teach more fun, more numbers like this. So तब तक के लिए मेरे साथ बने रहिए, मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब